morning. Hello everyone, this is here. We are doing the Bhangra practice here with our famous Rajiv. Rajiv, do you want to say very quickly?
We just did a warm-up.
Yeah.
We're going to have a stretch off. 45 minutes of intense Bhangra. We hope to burn about 800 calories by the end of it. So
tell people in Manchester to come down there. What do you want to tell them?
Down in Manchester Tuesday, like tonight, Stretford, 6:45 to 7:30. We're going to charge £4, so it's a bargain. Great for having a good workout and having a good time.
Excellent.
As you'll see.
Thank you very much. Yes, so this is quite intense Bhangra stuff here. You can see there's lots of people out here. They're all enjoying their Bhangra here. So here you go. Aisha as well. So time to now go to exercise myself as well now.